In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Zoho CRM with WordPress. We are going to walk through creating a web form in Zoho CRM, and this is an important foundation step because the form is what collects data from your website and sends it into your CRM records. As you follow along, keep your Zoho CRM account open and pay attention to where buttons and menus appear on the screen so you can match the same actions. First, click the Setup button, which is represented by the gear icon in the top right area of the Zoho CRM interface. Take a moment to find that gear icon because it is the main entry point to configuration settings. Once you click it, you will notice the Setup menu opens, showing various sections you can manage. Next, in the Setup area, look for the section called Channels and click on Web Forms. This is where Zoho CRM stores tools related to capturing leads and information through forms. By going to Web Forms, you are directing your attention to the exact feature that will connect your site submissions to CRM modules. Now that you are in the Web Forms area, you will create a new form. Click Create New Form. After that, you will be asked to fill in a name and a module. The name is simply for identifying the form in your Zoho account, so choose something clear that describes what the form is for, such as a lead or contact request form. The module is the category of data that Zoho will store, such as a leads or contacts module, depending on what you selected in your process. When you have entered those details, click Create. This will generate a blank form canvas that you can customize. At this point, you will start building the form layout. Drag and drop your desired fields onto the layout. This is where you decide which pieces of information you want your visitors to submit. For example, you might include standard fields that make sense for your workflow, like name, email, or any other relevant details that you want stored in Zoho CRM. As you drag fields into place, watch the layout area carefully so the fields appear in the order and section that you want. This matters because the final form experience for your users and the way the data maps into your CRM will depend on this arrangement. After your fields are added and the form layout looks correct, it is time to move to the next configuration stage. Click Next Step, which is the blue button located at the top right. You will notice that this moves you from the design stage into the form details stage. This step is important because it lets you configure the behavior of the form so it works properly once it is ready to be used on your website. In the next step, enter the form details. The exact fields you see can vary based on your Zoho setup, but the goal is to provide the information required to finalize the form. Make sure you review what you type and align it with how you plan to use the form. After you complete the form details, click Save. Saving confirms your changes and ensures the form is properly stored in Zoho CRM. And that is the main setup flow for creating the web form in Zoho CRM. You have opened Setup, navigated to Web Forms, created a new form with a name and module, added the fields to the layout, moved to the next step, filled in the remaining details, and saved everything. That covers everything you need to know.